Welcome to Florida International University Clinical Instructors. Please join us for a brief video as we walk through how you will validate and approve student submissions in TracPrac. TracPrac is a cloud-based system used on an app and a browser. Most students will access on the app, and most instructors use the browser for a better view. You will use it for tracking and evaluating your students' clinical progress. Let's first review instructor sign-in. You will go to our website at www.tracprac.com. You will sign in using an email address. Most of you, we have registered with your FIU email address. A few instructors, we were given a different email address. But once again, most of you will use your FIU email address. For your password, we have set it up using your first name @1. Your first name will be capitalized. So example, capital S, Sarah @1. Please note you can change your password once you've signed in under your profile. If for any reason you cannot successfully sign in, please chat with our support using the icon on the bottom right corner of the website. You will need to click the instructor radio button after you put in your email address and your password, and then click sign in. If at any time you forget your password, there is a forgot password link on the sign-in page. As a reminder, if you forget your password, there is the reset link as we mentioned, and you will be sent an email to reset. As far as browsers go, all browsers are available to use except for Internet Explorer. It is no longer supported. Once again, support. The best way to reach support is use our online chat on our website. We also have calling, texting, and emailing. Students will have the ability to log their clinical activities in two ways. They can log their skills and diagnosis on the app, or they can do that on the desktop. We are holding a separate orientation with students, and we will also supply them with a video that walks them through their steps. Now, let us walk through how you will review and validate your students' clinical activity submissions on our TracPrac website. Students will submit their clinical activities, skills, and diagnosis to you through their app or the website. Once they have submitted, you will be able to log into TracPrac and scroll down to view everything in the activity log. In the activity log, each horizontal row represents a separate student submission where a student selected your name before they submitted. If there is a student submission you're looking for and you don't see it, you can use the filter and toggle over from My Session to Group Session and then search for the student first or last name in the search box. To approve or evaluate each student submission, you may review the information across the row and then hit the red Required Action button. On the screen, you will see all of the activities, whether they are skills or diagnosis, that your students submitted. You can view each one and give a rating individually, one at a time, by clicking the Give Rating button in the row. To approve multiple skills or activities at once, please check the Select All box on the top left corner and then click Rate All. This will apply your rating or approval to all skills and activities on the page and allow you to move quickly through the material. A pop-up rating box will appear. You will select either a detailed rating terminology or a number rating. It does default to approve. You will then complete any optional comments for the student, and then you will select a tag or tags and click Give Rating. You can then view your ratings and your comments and then click back and continue with the next student submission in the activity log. Once you've rated a student submission, it is retained under the History tab at the top of the dashboard. You may edit your instructor rating by clicking on the History tab and then searching for the student name by first or last name in the search box. You can then click the Edit tab and change your rating or comment. Please note, if you click Delete, that removes that record and it cannot be retrieved. so please be careful and do not click delete. Reports can be run under the Reports tab on the dashboard. We have many reports including total clinical time, attendance, skills progress, and individual student reports, as well as group reports. There will be a separate orientation and video containing information on the reporting features. Your clinical evaluations for midterm and final are also going digital. We will have a separate orientation on those as well as we get closer to midterm. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our support on live chat at our website. You can also email, call, or text. We have support 7 days a week, 9 to 9, Monday through Friday, and 1 to 6, Saturday and Sunday. Thank you.